Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the draw tab, how to use the draw tab. So let us start with the functions. So first I am going to start with the pens. Okay, this is how you can select the color, okay, which are the combinations which are available. Next, this one, next, this one. You can also further select the thickness also. Next, this also. So this option here works. Okay. Next, now if you want to add a pen or a highlighter, you can also select or create your own pen also. Okay. And if you want to use the eraser, see, there are also some of the more eraser options, whichever you want to use. By the use of eraser, you can further edit the drawing whichever you are trying to do. Okay. Next, ruler option. If you want to use the ruler, okay, you can use this ruler and set the degrees. So when it will be helpful, for example, you want to draw something at 45 degrees, let us assume. Okay, now I am going to move my ruler. So this is how the ruler function basically works. You can exactly draw the lines with the help of ruler. Now next option is the ink to shape. Ink to shape option. For example, I'm going to draw round, it will automatically become round. For example, I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, okay, this is how. So if you want to draw a triangle, you need to stroke, use the stroke continuously, not by this way. Okay, for example, I'm going to draw a star. Sometimes uh, some of the shapes are only supported. Next option is the use of maths type. Is the use of maths type. Okay. Now let us add pi r square. It's my layer. Still, it is not exactly taking the input. So this is how it works. Math input control. Okay. And again layer it. Next, So this is how it works, and just you have to click on insert. And please note, by selecting this equation, okay, you can also edit also. Okay, you can edit also. You can also, if you want to like to add something from this option, you can also add from this option also. Okay, so this is how this equation works. Okay, this that's all for this video. Thank you.